Today we are working on a 2005 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle had been neglected for over a year and the owners found a surprise leak in the seal above their windshield. So after days of rain, they had come to a surprise puddle in their passenger seat carpet area. We had also found some mold in their back seat carpet area on the passenger side as well. We were called in for an emergency extraction to take care of the puddle, and we also took care of the mold that night as well. Then we brought the vehicle back to our shop for the full deep clean detailing. Let's get started. The first step of our detail was to remove the front seats. Then we moved on to vacuuming the interior. This interior was riddled with dirt, sand, and pet hair that had built it for years. And this took me a while. So while I was vacuuming, one of our staff members worked on disinfecting and steam cleaning all of the hard surfaces of the interior. The mid-console proved to be the worst area and required multiple rounds of steaming to remove all of the dead skin and gunk. After vacuuming, we moved on to the extraction. Starting off with the seats, these were not too bad, but we definitely pulled out a lot of old dirt from the fabrics. The carpets were much worse, even after previously extracting the night before to remove the mold. And as you can see from this clip, all of the nasty chocolate water that was coming out of the carpets, this was the most satisfying part. Are you ready for these results? And that's the detail. Thank you so much for watching our very first YouTube video. If you folks like content like this, please let us know by leaving us a comment down below or giving us a thumbs up on the video. Also, make sure to subscribe and click the bell notification icon to make sure you don't miss another one of our YouTube videos. But until next time, aloha!